first thing you are going to draw the margin on all the four sides. Done. On the top you will write today's date. And on the top you will write activity. Know more about family members. Know more about family members. This is our today's activity. Okay, generally we think that we know all about our family members. You know everything about them. Let's see today whether you know everything about each one, those who are living in with you in your family. Okay, let's check it out. I will give you enough time, children. Write properly, write the topic. Activity, know more about family members. Who are the family members? Papa, Mama, Grandpa, Grandma, brother, sister, uncle, auntie and cousins. Okay? Somebody may have 3 to 4 members in the family and someone may have 10 to 12 members in the family. Okay? Okay, now you have to make a few lines. Okay? So use your scale and draw a few lines with me. 1. Make a broader one. Okay, you have to write in that. 2. You can use a bigger scale if you want. 3. 4. 5. As much as you can, okay? But make the bigger one, broader one, so that you can write in that properly. It can be 7 to 8 lines, fine? And if you have more family members at home, then you may need the second page also. So here I am done with my page. Okay. Now here on the first line, just below where you have written the date, there leave the first line. Okay, leave this first line here, and on the second line you will write name. Okay, leave the first line. After writing the topic, you have to leave the first line. Write in the second line name. In the third line, that is the next one, you will write nickname. Nickname, that is we also call it as pet name. Okay, name is the official name which other people call them, and nickname is something which we call them at home. For example, my official name is Anupama and my nickname is Anu. My family members call me Anu. Okay, so there's difference between name and nickname. I'm waiting for you, children. Write it down. Leave the first line. Then second line you will write name, then nickname. In the third line you will write date of birth. Date of birth, that is their birthday, right? Then place of birth, where they were born. Place of birth, the place where they were born. What else you can write over there is favorite. Write only F for favorite, okay? Don't write the complete word. Or favorite color, COLOUR. You can write only F for favorite. Favorite color. Favorite food. I hope everybody is writing with me. Favorite subject. When they used to study, what was their favorite subject, right? Favorite hobby. Hobby is something which we like to do when we are free. When you are in a free time, then you want to do something you want to enjoy, then you do the thing which you like the most. That is what we call as hobby. For example, reading books, maybe some artwork. Okay, so that is the favorite hobby. I repeat it once. The first one is name, that is the official name. Nickname or pet name, we also call it as pet name. Then date of birth, that is their birthday. Place of birth, the place where they were born. Favorite color. Favorite food. Favorite subject when they used to study. And favorite hobby, what they want to do in their free time. Okay, now children, as we have written the things we want to know about our family members, we are going to draw a line here, this way, okay? And then on the first line, which we have not written anything over there you are going to write mother. Or the first one you will write myself. Write about you also, okay? Myself. That is you. So you will write your name here, your nickname. For example, when I am writing, I will write here Anupama. I will next line nickname, I will write Anu. Date of birth, I will write 20 September. Place of birth, I will write Patna. Okay, so here you are going to write about yourself. I will write favorite color green. You will not write green. You will write your favorite color. Okay. So after writing about myself, make another column. When you will write this, you will come to know that you don't know about yourself also. For example, the place of birth. I don't think everybody will know your place of birth. So while writing, ask your mother and write it down. Okay. Now, after myself, we will write a family member, that is mother. M-O-T-H-E-R, mother. So in this column, you are going to write about your mother. Mother's name, nickname. You call them as mummy only, but okay, but she also has a name, so that only you are going to write here. And if she has a nickname, then you will write that. Date of birth, her birthday, then place of birth where she was born, her favorite color. Your favorite color and her favorite color can be different. Okay, food also can be different. Her favorite food, your mother's favorite subject when she used to study, and her favorite hobby. Okay. After mother, you will make one more column. And here you are going to write about father. Okay. Then again you will write your father's name, your father's nickname. You might not be knowing the nickname of your father and mother. Okay, which their father and mother used to call them. If you know, well and good. If you don't know, ask them and write it down. Date of birth. Many a times you forget your mother and father's date of birth. That is their birthday. Now once you write it down here, you will never forget. And place of birth, so generally we don't ask. So today you are going to ask and write it over here. And all must be different. Your place of birth, mother's place of birth, and father's place of birth. You will find that all the things you are writing are different. And many things you will know today itself, which you might not be knowing before about your family members. Okay, after myself, mother, father, you can write about your brother and sister. Okay. If you have your brother or sister, so I am writing both here. Brother, sister. I have written both. You will write any one which you have, and if you have both of them, then you will make two different columns. Okay. I have written in the same column, but you will make two different columns for brother and sister. If you have both, you will make one column for brother and another column for sister. Okay, and what? And if you have a big family, then comes your grandparent, right? So next column will be for grandparents. Okay, grandpa, and grandma. Again, I have written both. If you have both in the family, make two different columns. Now here the page is finished. You have more family members. Write it in the next page. Make another column like this in the next page and then continue. Okay, if you have brother, sister, then you will write brother, sister, and then again you have grandparents, then write it down in the next page. Their name. You might not be knowing their name, right? We generally call them as Dadima or something else maybe, but we never call them by their name. So today you are going to ask their name and write it down here. Their name and their nickname, date of birth, place of birth, their favorite color, and you have to ask them, okay? Don't ask your father and mother ki what is the favorite color of your father. No. You will go to them and you will ask them. Okay? So rest of the things I cannot write. You have to ask your parents, father, mother, brother, sister, and also your grandparents, and then you will write it down here. Okay? And if suppose your grandparents are not staying with you, it's okay if you don't write. And even then, if you want to write, you are interested to know about them, then when you will go to them, you can ask and write. Fine? Or you can call them. They will be very happy if you call them. So this was the activity, children. You have to complete it. The activity was know more about family members. And today you will come to know that how much you know about them. So this was all for today, children. Thank you.